Namaste Rudra Rupinne, Namaste Madhumardini, Namaste Harinne, Namaste Mahishasuri, Namaste. Salutations to you, Rudra Rupinne, the mighty and terrifying one who has destroyed the pride of the most powerful demonic celestial asuras, Madhu and Kaitaba. With her side glance, they were killed and helped Lord Vishnu slay them. Namaste Shumbha Hantraicha Nishumbhasura Gatini Jagatam Hi Mahadevi Japam Siddham Kurushya. O Devi, salutations to you, who has vanquished the Asuras Shumbha Nishumba. Shumbha Nishumba, so many meanings they were given. As many as available in this known to us. Some, if you say somewhere, tendency to stick to same old routine of living also is Shumbha Nishumba. And staying in the fear also is Shumbha Nishumba. And when you do that, it opens up the spiritual journey. Maya Maya releases from Shumbha Nishumba. Ainkari Sushti Rupinyai, Ainkari Patipalika, Klinkari Kama Rupinyai, Bija Rupe Namostate. This also we already mentioned. She manifests as Goddess Saraswati, the Shakti of Lord Brahma, assists the task of creation with the Bija Mantra Ain, Ainkari, Sushti Rupaye. Hrinkari Patipalika. Hrinkari is the creation of, though it is a Maya Bija, we are told, it represents Vishnu also. Sustainer of and helps the maintaining, sustaining the seed Bija, Hrim. And Klinkari Kamarupini. As a Klinkari, she does all the things to you. As she gives us all desires fulfilled. Chamunda Chandagaticha, Yeikari Varadayini, Viche Cha Bhayada Nityam, Namaste Mantarupini. As Chamunda, the destroyer of demonic asuras, Chanda and Munda, who signify wrathful attitude and immoral behavior. Munda, they signify that wrathful. She destroys these qualities in us also. And also she opens up Brahma Granthi and Rudra Granthi. She also represents Yaikari. We know that, Klinkari, all that. But first time we are listening to Yai, Ya, Evattu, Aivattu, Yaikari. This denotes wish fulfilling of attribute of the Yai. Yaikari is that. And Viche, already talk about it, Viche. And now this Viche, I will explain little, elaborate. I want waiting for this Viche to come. This Viche has in that three words, Vi, Cha and Ye. Is it not so? Vi, Cha and Ye. Together makes Viche. This is as per Katyayani Tantra. It says Chit, Sat and Ananda. Vi is Chit, Cha is Sat and Ye is Ananda, signifying a state of everlasting bliss with the expansion of one's consciousness. And Aim is also part of Navarna mantra. There also it goes. Which I told you already, with his consciousness. Cha is Sat, everlasting. Ananda is Ye. Same thing also in Aim, Hrim, Klim. Together if you take it. Aim, we know Mahasaraswati represents Chit. And Hrim, Mahalakshmi represents Sat. And Klim represents Mahakali, Ananda. So, Chamunda herself, Brahma Vidya, also called Shri Vidya. To obtain Brahma Vidya or the ultimate spiritual knowledge, which leads to self-realization and liberation. one must worship her in the Tripura as Chit Sat and Ananda. Aim Hrim Klim Chamundai Uche refers to that, worshipping her in Tripura. Chit Sat and Ananda. Only difference is Sat Chit Ananda. Here it is Chit Sat and Ananda. Makes no difference. Meaning is same. Chit is Mahasaraswati, Sat is Mahalakshmi, and Mahakali is Ananda. Dham Dhim Dhum Dhujate Patni Vam Vim Vagadishwari Kram Krim Krum Kalika Devi Sham Shim Shum Me Shubham Kuru. This is once again Dham. It looks like a sound, Dham. But this Dham is a wonderful Bija mantra. Indicates attraction of wealth and prosperity. And this refers to Kubera. This Bija mantra, Dham, represents Kubera, which attracts the wealth. And Dheem is another brother. It attracts wealth. Dham protects the wealth, sorry. Dheem attracts wealth. And the Dhoom, which removes all that impacting our welfare and other financial interests. So Dham, Dheem, Dhoom together. Dham is the wealth, its protection. Dheem is prosperity, attraction of wealth. And Dhoom is removing the whatever the obstacles in our prosperity. Dham, Dheem, Dhoom. Even I'm surprised. Even these three Bija mantras also makes a mantra. Nothing else. Only these three. To protect the wealth what we have, to attract the wealth, and to prevent what is stopping us to get wealth, prosperity. Even these three is enough. It's a part of Kubera mantra in a way. And Durjate he Patni. Durjata is another name for Shiva. Was got locked, no? His hair is matted. Jade. Durjata means was got the jate. And that jate, Durjate. Patni is Parvati. Durjate Patnihi. Durjata Shiva. Jate of Shiva, the nature of universal consciousness. That Jate of Shiva is not that simple. It represents the universal consciousness. So all this imagery of our God goddesses has symbol in it. When you look at that, the symbol will have an impact on us. So knowingly or unknowingly, it doesn't matter. That imagery has that. Shiva's Jata represents the universal consciousness. Patni means our consent. Then comes Vam, Beam, Vagadishwari. Vam is a powerful Bija mantra for an effective speech which makes an impression. Vam. The Veem is a mesmerizing speech which can attract the attention of higher powers. With all this, these three, Vam, Beam, refers to only speech, Vak, and Om, removing all defects in speech and infusing what is called Impada. I don't know what word to be used in English for Impu. The speech has Impu. For speech, I am trying to get a word for it. Impada Gana, melodious music. But Impada Matu, adike we can't use same word, Anyway, if you understand enough for me, I need to find the word for it. It makes your speech very impact. This is Vam, Beam, Womb refers to Vak. Vagadishwari, the goddess Saraswati, who governs everything. Speech as well knowledge. Once again, knowledge is both spiritual and material. Then comes Kram. Kram indicates the energy transformate that can break through all karmic barriers. We have a lot of karmic barriers. The Kram Vijay is one. It's a fierce energy. It's a fierce energy, not a mild energy. It's a fierce energy with transformation, transmit into break our karmic barriers. And Cream is a Bija mantra of Kali. Kali cannot be considered as only ferocious. Spiritual upheaval. The force that transforms us, that's it, Divine Mother Kali. Mother Kali will transform us to our spiritual growth. That is Cream. Then comes Krum. Yeah, another important Bija mantra. It helps us to take out all the barriers on our spiritual path. You know what happens. Kram brings transformation. Cream is a Kali energy transformation. And this finally Krum is takes out the barriers. And then comes Sham, protection of all round prosperity. So this Shah itself is Mahalakshmi, and that Ra added there to include Agni there. That's why it comes Shra. Anyway, Sham itself is that. Okay, same thing. Sham, Shim, Shum, everything comes to that only. Now, the Divine Mother manifests as Parvati. The concept of Lord Shiva to manifest us and protect auspiciousness and wealth of creation, not you and me, the wealth of the creation itself. She manifests as Goddess Saraswati to impact the power of speech and spread all knowledge to the entire creation. She manifests as Goddess Kali to transform us from the wheel of Maya and cosmic illusion so that we reach the spiritual